Sakal Gunarnavasha Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
Then he described the occupational duties of different orders and statuses of life, citing instances from history, for he was himself well acquainted with the truth. Incidents mentioned in the Vedic literatures, such as the Purans, Mahabharata and Ramayana, are factual historical narrations that took place sometime in the past, although not in any chronological order. Such historical facts, being instructive for ordinary men, were assorted without chronological reference. Besides that, they happen on different planets, nay, in different universes, and thus the description of the narrations is sometimes measured by 3 dimensions. We are simply concerned with the instructive lessons of such incidents, even though they are not in order by our limited range of understanding. Bhisma described such narrations before Maharaj Yudhishthira in reply to his different questions.